Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at a very special gaming mouse designed by Corsair. This is the Scimitar RGB Elite. This mouse is designed for MOBA players and MMO players. And the thing that makes this mouse so special, as you can probably already tell, are these 12 buttons that you can see on the side of the mouse, which are made to be accessible by using your thumb. Now, if you've ever played an MMO or a MOBA, you'll know that there are a lot of things that you need to be managing at the same time. One of the biggest things that catches my eye with this mouse is the scroll wheel itself. This scroll wheel is at least 2 times as big as a regular scroll wheel, and it has a really nice grip to it. So when you do scroll it, you feel like you have a lot more control in your scrolling. It also has its own independent RGB light, which you can program as well. The 12 programmable buttons on the left side of the mouse sit exactly where your thumb would sit, and they are numbered from 1 to 12. And they made it easy to tell which numbers you're pressing without even looking by adding a texture into each other set of 3 numbers, as well as a raised notch for the number 5, which is the centermost button. So it's almost like you have a little keyboard where your thumb is sitting. And they did something really smart here. This set of 12 buttons is on its own panel that can be slid back and forth, and that can be adjusted by tightening or loosening a screw that's at the bottom of the mouse. And this allows you to place the panel in a position that's most comfortable to you. It also feels pretty cool that this mouse comes with its own little accessory. Just below the scroll wheel, there are 2 more programmable buttons. By default, these are your DPI switches, but you can program these buttons to do anything you want using Corsair's IQ software. There are 4 RGB lights on this mouse. There's one where your palm rests, one on the mouse wheel, one right in front of the thumb keyboard, and one at the very front of the mouse. And all 4 of these can be customized to whatever color you want or whatever color pattern you want. The cable connection to the mouse feels really sturdy, and the wire is braided, so it does have quite a bit of protection from being damaged or frayed. But if you don't want the wired version, you could just get yourself the wireless version, which is the same, it just costs about $30 more. This mouse has one of the highest DPIs that you can get on a mouse. It has 18,000 DPI. Having a high DPI is good if you are clicking a lot of things on the screen and you are doing a lot of mouse movements. You can really hone in on the best combination of DPI, mouse sensitivity, and screen resolution. When finely tuned, you will almost never misclick on something on your screen. So that was the Corsair Scimitar RGB Elite gaming mouse for MOBAs and MMOs. It's a lot of buttons, but if you play those kinds of games, you know you're going to need them. Let me know what you think of this mouse. If you have your eye on another kind of gaming mouse, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're looking at. And thank you for watching the video. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in another video.